Hi everyone, I'm Paul and today's video is all about ICT's 2022 mentorship program. I did a video recently showing how I used ICT's fair value gap principle in a live trade in Ethereum, and that video did really well. So what I thought I'd do is do a series of videos tracking my progress through ICT's 2022 mentorship program. I'm hoping that this series of videos helps consolidate my learning, and I'm hoping it also helps you with your learning as well. Also, because I'm exclusively trading crypto, I'll be adapting the learnings from the mentorship program into this market. So if you're trading crypto, I'm sure you'll find this useful as well. In this series, I'm going to be tracking all of the lessons, the homework, going through my back testing, forward testing, and then eventually in a small live trading account. So I'm going to be pretty busy. I've already played around a little bit with some of the principles taught by ICT in the mentorship program, and I've had some pretty impressive success so far. I also come from an electronic trading background in financial markets, so the underlying principles that ICT teaches really resonate with me. So all in all, I'm really excited about the mentorship program, and I'm really looking forward to working through those lessons with you and sharing some of those learnings. So let's jump in. So welcome to lesson 1 of the 2022 ICT mentorship program. I hope you like the Bitcoin orange. We'll start with just a really quick outline for the video. So the first section is going to cover who is the mentorship program for, what's the aim of the mentorship program, what's the mechanics of the mentorship program, as in how it's going to work, what the mentorship program is not, and how I'm approaching the mentorship program and what I hope I'm going to get out of it. So who's the mentorship program for? ICT is trying to present a stripped down, simple trading system that even his daughter could learn and implement. ICT's observed from his paid mentorship program that providing too much information often creates analysis paralysis for new and developing traders. Some of his students are still very successful, but many more get bogged down in details and consequently don't really make any progress. So this is really a program for everyone. So if you're a new or a struggling trader, ICT is going to deliver an end-to-end system that you can practice and eventually implement on your own. If you're an experienced trader already, ICT is going to teach you some of his unique perspectives on price action and trade setups. Perhaps you can integrate these learnings into your current systems, but even if you can't, at the very least you're going to get some exposure to some new ideas and perspectives. So what's the aim of the mentorship program? The ultimate aim of the mentorship program is to learn a new skill that gives you the potential to create a separate income stream. So regardless of your financial situation, having multiple income streams is obviously always a really good thing. ICT wants his students to become self-reliant. The first goal is to be able to find the setup conceptually, and then over time and with some practice, be able to implement the system yourself. You won't become a perfect trader. This shouldn't be the goal, as taking losses is part of trading. However, you will learn and improve how you read price action, how price is delivered, read the bias on a daily and an intraday basis, find setups that repeat and have characteristics that repeat. With time and practice, the setups and characteristics will become familiar, so you'll know when they present themselves and be confident to trust and trade them. The setups don't rely on hitting home runs, rather looking for and taking reliable trade setups that are available every week and often daily, with the goal of making around 20% a week. The objective isn't to be trading every day, just to hit your target and then come again next week. ICT understands that people in his program are yearners, meaning that they yearn for knowledge or are impatient to start implementing, but ICT wants to ensure everyone has a chance of success. So his objective is to move people from yearners to learners and eventually earners. There can't be any shortcuts. So what are the mechanics of the program? So ICT is aiming to upload a new lesson every Tuesday and Thursday, but he won't be posting for all of March because he's said he's going on holidays. The program is expected to go for about 3 to 4 months. ICT mostly trades index futures, but these concepts can be used with FX or any other instruments. I've been testing these concepts on cryptocurrencies, and I'll be focusing exclusively on this. In terms of demonstrating the concepts and how they'll be implemented, ICT is going to be using a mix of both demo and live trading. Demo trading and a lot of the presentations will be done using TradingView, and the live trading will be done using a TD Ameritrade or Thinkorswim account. ICT is an intraday trader, but the information provided can be used on any time frame and can be scaled up or down accordingly. So you can apply these techniques to any style of trading or on any time frame. I've been using these on a daily trading chart myself, and they've been really successful. You'll notice that the comments are mostly turned off on the Mentor Program videos. This is intentional to keep out the trolls, and the community tab is where ICT will be posting homework and other information for its students. What the program is not. So ICT's mentorship program is not a signalling service. He's really clear on this. There's no trade setups and there's no enticements to trade. Whilst there may be examples with live data or recorded live, this is really just for educational purposes only. The mentorship program is not for people looking for a shortcut. To give the mentor program a chance at being successful, you need to stay the course and complete all the homework. Personal responsibility is paramount. Everyone's responsible for their own actions, and this is often the most major impediment to people's success. This isn't an easy path, and as a result, it's not going to be for everyone. I think the easiest way of putting it is that the mentorship program is for anyone, but it isn't really for everyone. However, in saying all of this, ICT is running this program to show that it's possible and to inspire other people to try, which I think is really generous and admirable. So how am I approaching the mentorship program, and what do I hope to get from it? Well, I'm approaching the mentorship program with an open mind and a commitment to go through the whole program. To give it a chance of being successful, I know I need to commit to doing all of the homework and lessons, as well as a significant amount of personal study, which will need to include both back testing and forward testing. Assuming all of this goes well, then the next logical step is to move to a small trading account, probably about $1,000, and start implementing my system in a live trading environment. If I get to this point, which I'm pretty confident I will, I'm going to do a second series of videos to track this process as well and share that with everyone who's interested. ICT's system primarily uses the S&P and sometimes NASDAQ index futures, and he leverages off the market open in New York. So because I'm focusing purely on cryptocurrencies, I know I'm going to have to do some extra work. Also, because I live in Australia, trading that New York open time zone doesn't really work for me. And so I expect there to be some nuanced differences between stocks and crypto, even though they're pretty highly correlated. The only way to unpack these differences is through thorough testing and limited live trading. In terms of what I hope to achieve, in the past I've mostly stuck with higher time frame trading. My previous attempts at trading shorter time frames haven't been that successful. I've made all those classic mistakes of overtrading, incorrect trade sizing and risk management, even revenge trading, chasing trades, holding on too long or closing out too quickly. So as a result, I've stayed mostly with higher time frame trading and I've been much more successful. So I'm hoping that from the mentorship program I can learn some better techniques to refine my trade selection and entry on higher time frame trades, as well as develop a trading system for trading shorter time frames. This short-term trading wouldn't become my primary trading, but I think it'd be good to have another time frame tool in my toolbox, even if this is only a setup that I might trade once or twice a week. So that's the summary of lesson 1 of ICT's 2022 mentorship program. It's really just an outline of what to expect from the program and the mechanics of how the program will run. I hope you found this review helpful and encourages you to join ICT's mentorship program. If you are interested, I've posted a link in the description to ICT's YouTube channel, so make sure you check that out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. That helps other people to find it. And if you'd like to follow me through this mentorship program and join me on that journey, then make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. I'm really excited about this program and I hope you are too. So I'll see you in the next video.